Red flowering currant. Hi, this is Camilla from Earth School, and I'm so excited to share this plant with you, especially right now. Well, it's blooming. This is its time. It's April 1st in Washington State, and it's such perfect medicine to help us stay calm, to help us deal with fear. It's very supportive for the heart and the nervous system. And so when I've taken it and had clients take it, we often experience this very deep sense of relaxation. So I'd like to call in that spirit right now, that feeling from this deva, this fairy, the spirit of this plant. Maybe you can feel that too. Just invite that spirit in through your crown, in through your system. Just let yourself breathe with it. Feel its support. It's a very supportive flower and plant. As a flower essence, began making them in 2000. This one came forward as medicine for us, to support us. And another way that I found that it was helpful was for when we're striving, when we're trying too hard, when we're overdoing things, when we feel under pressure. All those kind of situations can be alleviated or calmed by taking the flower essence of red flowering currant. So I wanted to share that because it's such a good medicine. Even though we're in this place of stillness at this time on the planet, I think we all need some nervous system calming, some support. And I found people that have are working through abundance issues with finances, that it's very helpful for that, because it does calm and does help us be more balanced. Because sometimes if we don't feel we have the resources financially or other resources, not just money, it can feel stressful, and we tend to amp up and try to do more, try to achieve more, try to strive, put ourselves under pressure, and all those things can pull us out of true alignment to easily attract abundance. So keep allowing that spirit to enter and be with us and you. We'll send it out for all those who need it. And if you'd like to explore more about the flower essence, you can visit my website, camillablossom.com, or contact me, and I'll be happy to share more about the plant or make you a bottle of it or a formula with this plant in it if you want a consultation. So enjoy your day, and we'll give gratitude to our beautiful friend, this lovely, sweet plant. And this is Camilla from Earth School. Take care.